How to fix Wizz app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, what you have to do is just make sure that your Wizz application is updated to its latest version. So you can just go to the Play Store application and search for Wizz app and then make sure that it is updated to its latest version. Now after getting it updated, just go to the settings of your device and scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps. And after that, all you have to do is just scroll down and find the Wiz application on your app list. So here's the application. Now just make sure that you tap on this clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you'll be able to clear the cache, and after clearing the cache, what you have to do is just tap on the power button and tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might definitely help you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.